The first group of commands that you can use are the commands on the font group of the Home tab. To make use of any of these commands, you must make a selection of cells. On the font group of the Home tab, you have the font command. The font command provides you with options for changing the font of the content of your cell. You are provided with a number of font types here to select from, and you can preview them as you hover over the provided fonts. When you find one of your choice, just click on it to apply it. Next, you are provided with the font size command. The font size command allows you to increase the size of the contents of your cell. Again, this has nothing to do with the value in the cell. You have other alternatives. You are provided with other alternatives for changing the size of the cell contents. You have the increase font size command and the decrease font size command. You can also toggle the bold command, the italic command, to italicize the contents of your cells. You can also underline the contents of the cells. You want to apply all of these commands or any of these commands in a way that will make the data look more presentable. You can use the border command. So you are provided with a number of border options here. So you have the tick outside borders. So only the outside borders, that's where you have the green lines, will apply. Okay, so that's the tick outside borders there. Okay, so I'll make this selection again and apply the all borders command. Okay, so this time the borders applies to all the borders of each cell. You can also change the fill color for the selected cells. So you have a number of fill colors there, just to make it look more presentable. Okay, you may want to change the color of the text. So those are the options provided within the font group of the Home tab. If you must use any of these commands to make data presentable, then you should be careful to ensure that you apply those commands in a way that is both consistent and logical. The second alternative for formatting cell contents is even a better alternative than the commands provided in the font group on the font group of the Home tab. You will find those commands on the styles group of the Home tab. So the styles group provide you with a number of predefined styles that you can apply to specific content types. For instance, this is the header row for this data. It is easier to just apply a predefined heading style to this header row. So I'll just click on the cell styles command, and I am provided with a number of styles here that I can apply. So I'll just select heading 1, okay, for the headings. Then for the cell content, I'll just make that selection and click the cell styles. I have a number of styles to choose from. So this is very easy, and it helps you to be more consistent and logical in applying styles to data that you will present. You can also see the title style there. So if we have a title, probably we have these merged cells that we want the title to be in. So I'll just merge those cells. So okay, and I'll resize the cell and just call input the title there, some data. Okay, to format this as the title, I'll just go to the cell styles command on the styles group of the home tab and click on the title style, and that applies. So this is more logical, and it helps you to be more consistent with styles that you apply to data that you will present to people. Note that you can edit any of these styles or define new ones. For instance, if I right click on the title style, you have modify command there, so you can delete it, you can duplicate it, you can add the gallery to the quick access toolbar. So to modify this style, okay, so you can format that style here, okay, and you have the number of formats, okay, to choose from, even the color, the fill, the border, and you can set all of that. And when you click OK, then the style here will get automatically updated. Okay, and if you have other titles defined for within this workbook, then those titles will also get updated with the modified style. To automatically set row or column width for a selected range, a number of commands are provided on the format on the cells group of the home tab. So if you click on the format cell command there, you are provided with a number of options here. So you have you can set the row height to a particular number, and you can ask Excel to auto fit the row heights for you. You can also set the column width to a number of your choice, and you can ask Excel to automatically fit fit the column width for you. So I'll set the row height for this selection here. So I'll set that manually. So you have a number of so I'll just input a number here. I'll say 5.2 and click OK here. Okay, so you see that becomes very small. Let's change that to 25. Okay, so you can do this for both row heights and column widths. Finally, we will look at the commands on the alignment group of the home tab. The alignment group provides a number of commands for aligning the contents of the cell within the cell. To apply any of this command, you must make a selection. So I'll just select this single merged cell and align the content so that you can see how that works. So these three commands are the horizontal alignment for cell contents. These are the vertical alignment for cell content. So this is top, this is middle, and this is bottom. You can also so you can combine any of these two, okay, to get the alignment of your choice. You can also set the orientation for cell contents, okay, and I'll just change this here so that you can see the text, okay. um, Alternatively, you have other options here to explore, but you can launch the format cell dialog box here, and you can manually set the angle of the orientation, okay. So I just click OK. So that's the angle of the orientation. All these do not affect the data in the cell. It only changes how it looks when you present them. You have already seen a demonstration of the merge and center command. All the commands here are options for merging a number of selected cells. You can also unmerge merged cells.